Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with factors and multiples part 3, and today we are going to learn prime factorization. We have already learned about the prime numbers and the composite numbers. Now what is prime factorization? When a number is written as a product of its prime factors only, then it is called prime factorization. अगर किसी नंबर को हम छोटे नंबर्स में ब्रेक करते हैं और जब तक हमें प्राइम नंबर नहीं मिल जाता तब तक हम उसको ब्रेक करते रहते हैं, then that process is called the prime factorization. और prime factorization is finding which prime numbers multiply together to make the original number. Now why to find prime factors? Prime numbers are the basic building blocks of all numbers. हमें प्राइम नंबर्स को जानना इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि दे आर द बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ ऑल द नंबर्स. Prime numbers have only two factors as already told you, and composite numbers have more than two factors. When a number is broken into prime factors, this process is called the prime factorization. Examples: factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Here 2 and 3 are prime factors while 6, 9 and 18 are composite factors. 6 can be broken further as 2 into 3, 9 can be broken as 3 into 3. So prime factors of 18 are 1 into 2 into 3 into 3, that gives us 18. Prime factorization can be done by two methods. First is factor 3 method. Let's take an example. Let's find out the prime factorization of 18. After dividing 18 into two numbers, we get 2 and 9. In this, 2 is already a prime number, but 9 is a composite number. So, we'll divide further. 9 can be broken into two numbers again, that is 3 and 3. So, prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Let's take another example, that is 12. If we divide 12 into two numbers, we get 2 and 6. Here also 2 is a prime number, but 6 is a composite number. So we are going to divide it further. After dividing it, we get 2 and 3. So prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Now the second method, that is division method. Let's take an example. 24. For this we have to follow some steps. First is divide the given number by the smallest prime number that exactly divides it. सबसे पहले हम सबसे छोटा प्राइम नंबर लेके उससे डिवाइड करेंगे. In this case we will take 2. Then divide the quotient further by a prime number that exactly divides it, and continue the repeated division till the remainder is not further divisible by any number. जब तक हमें एक ऐसा रिमाइंडर नहीं मिल जाता जिसको हम आगे डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, we will keep dividing it by repeated division method. So in this case 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. Then again we will divide 12 by 2, it gives us 6. Then again if we divide 6 by 2 we get 3, and then 3 is divided by 3, we get 1. So prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So any number can be divided or prime factorized by two methods. Here in this case 36. 36 if we divide we get 2 and 18. 2 is a prime number, 18 is a composite number. So 18 can be further divided into 2 and 9. And the 9 also can be further divided into 3 and 3. So here we get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Same way we'll do if by division method the same numbers we'll get 36 divided by 2. We get 18. 18 divided by 2 we get 9. 9 divided by 3 we get 3. And 3 divided by 3 we get 1. So both the methods are same and same factorization we get, same prime factorization we get. Hope you understood. If you understood, please like, share and comment. on the video and then subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.